Hey loves, it's your girl Kiki and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing some short goddess twists, and the hair that we're using today is the Afri-Naptural 2x Nubian butterfly curl, and it's in a 12-inch and I have it in a color 1B. I really love the curl pattern of this hair. It is perfect for twists and it's also perfect for crochet styles. So yeah, let's get started. So real quick before we get started, I want to send a huge thank you to Main Concept for sponsoring this video. All the information will be down below in the description box, as well as all the details of the products I use. Alright, so the first thing what we're going to do is section off our hair. I already sectioned most of my hair and I just left a piece in the front to show you what I did. So I just took some Shine and Jam, added it to the perimeter of my part, and I am going to be using the rubber band method. So I'm just going to take my rubber band and I'm going to tie that off, and then I'm just going to continue to do that for the other two sections. Alright, so here is my hair after I've sectioned everything off, and in total I have 31 sections. Alright, so now it's time to twist. To twist, I'm going to take my Curls Dynasty Twisted definition, and I'm just going to run that along my hair to keep it moisturized while it's in the twist. Then I brush that through. And then I'm going to take two pieces of hair. This hair is pre-sectioned, and it does come with two bundles in the pack as you've seen before. So yeah, I'm going to take two pieces, and then I'm going to use my latch hook, and I'm just going to crochet that in to the section, and then I'm going to begin to twist. I will say I probably could have used 3, even 4 pieces of hair. Looking back, I do love the way my twist came out, but again, I probably could have used a little more hair, and it probably would have helped conceal my hair a little more. But yeah, that's all right. Trial and error, y'all. I just know for next time when I do this hairstyle again, I will make sure I use 3 to 4 pieces. I do also want to just let you know that this hair felt like it had, almost like it had gel on it. I'm sure it didn't have gel, but it had something on it and it felt like gel or something that hardened it. So just to let you know that, so if you do try to fluff it, it's not going to fluff too much. But that didn't bug me. I didn't mind the curl staying, especially when I begin to put the loose curls in for the goddess effect. But yeah, just to let you know, so if you get the hair that you know what to expect. Alright, so once we're done twisting the hair, I'm just going to take another small black rubber band and I'm going to tie it off, and then I'm just going to cut the excess hair off. You can cut as much or as little as you like. Alright, so here is my first twist, and I'm just going to repeat that process all over my head, and then I will be back when I'm finished. Alright, so now that I'm done twisted, I'm just going to take some loose pieces of hair and I'm just going to crochet them in to random twist. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You can put as little or as much as you like. And yeah, I'm just going to choose random twists and I'm going to crochet the hair in. And I'm just going to put one piece through and pull it as if you were doing the knotless method. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the pieces to my liking, and yeah. Alright loves, and this is the final look. I used 3 packs to achieve this look. Again, I have 31 twists in my head. I used the Afri-Naptural Nubian butterfly curl in 12-inch. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. As always, I appreciate you. Please be safe and take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.